Hello, welcome back. Today I brought you a trigonometric equation which we're going to do, and it has a pretty solid, pretty clear idea, and it's straightforward. So let's start from here. So if you like, it looks like somehow like a quadratic, but this is a bit bothering because in every term we have 2x cos to the power of 2 of cos to the power of 2 of 2x, and sin to the power of 2 of 2x. And but this sin of 4x is a bit bothering, but we know that we know this equation. You can just search for proof. We know that sine of 4x is equal to 2 times the sine of 2x times cosine of 2x. And that was the only idea used in this equation, but please follow up with me. It has some interesting things, which I'll explain it to you. So let's just substitute this in here and write our equation here. We will have 12 sine 2 of 2x. Sorry for my bad writing. 2 sine 2x cos of 2x minus 30 cos to the power of 2x. Now we have the terms simplified, and we have nice, solid, and clear quadratic equation. But if you pay attention, we can even factorize it too. So we will have 6 here. This will be disappear, and we will have a 15 here. So let me just write it down for the sake of clearness. Is that a word even? Plus sine of 2x times cosine of 2x minus 15 goes to 2x. Now this is my favorite part. Now is the substitution part. But because sine and cosine are but not too easy to work with, so we just substitute a equals sine of 2x and b equals cosine of 2x. So let's just substitute these values here. We would have 6a2 plus ab minus 15b2. So now let's just factorize it. So to factorize this, I will go with the if it's 6 here, 2, 3. Oh, did we factorize it correctly? Yeah, that was right. So 2 and 3, 3 and 5. Oh, okay. If we write 2a here and 3a here, because we have a 6a2, and for the b part, we know that the sum of the numbers got to be plus 1ab. Let's say 2 was here, and 3 for 5 is an appropriate choice for this, an appropriate pair for this. So I would take plus 5b here and minus 3b here. I think that's right. We have a 6a2 here. We have 10ab. We have a minus 9ab. That will be ab, and minus 15b2. So now to solve for this, 2a minus 3b should be equal 0 either, or 3a plus 5b should be 0. If this is true, now we have a equals a to the b equals 3 over 2. And what is a to the b? It is equals 3 over 2. what is a to b? A over b, it is sine of x over cosine of x. Sine of 2x over cosine of 2x equals 3 over 2. And what is this? Sine over cosine is tangent. It's the tan of 2x equals 3 over 2. Now, for here to find the value of x, we have to the arctangent, the inverse function of the tangent to find the x. So, which means that 2x equals tangent inverse of 3 over 2. And if we bring this 2 under here, we have x. Oh, I'm sorry, you didn't see some of the parts here. Now you see it. It's a tangent inverse of 3 over 2 over 2. It was one of our x. And let me just do it and I'll write it down clearly. So also for this, we would have a over b equals negative 5 over 3. What does that mean again is the tangent of 2x equals negative 5 over 3. What that means is tangent inverse of minus 5 over 3 subtracted by 2 is x. So we found two values for x, and let me just write it down. X equals either tan inverse of 3, 2 over 2, or the tangent inverse of negative 5 over 3 over 2. And those are our solutions. I'm sorry again for not showing you this part here below here. So these are our solutions, and this was a pretty interesting problem. What was our ideas? The main idea of this problem was this equation. It was just to remember this equation. So please, this is one of the most important factorizations in trigonometry, and I recommend you to memorize all of them, because they mostly cannot be proved in the middle of exam. So this was one of the main ideas, and also the substitution. The substitution here will make your work a lot easier, but doesn't affect that much on the final answer. And so the an arctangent also was one of the ideas, the inverse function of tangent, which I recommend you to do some research about it. And you can also find these values by your calculator, because I think all of the mid-professional calculators have these amounts, the arctangent or tangent inverse of something. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss anything, so you won't regret any content in this channel. Thanks for watching, and bye.